Okay, hello, welcome to the test. You might be wondering why I'm wearing this raincoat in the middle of 94-degree weather. Well, somebody decided to go to all my local hardware stores and buy up all the painters' suits. So to do this test, this is what I have to wear. So first off, don't try this at home. This is tear gas. Okay, this isn't a grenade. This is like a bug bomb, but filled with CS and some other stuff. But it's the best you can get on the civilian market. It does say for law enforcement only, but somehow they sold it to me. I guess they don't really check online. And in California, it's legal to have this stuff as a civilian as long as you're using it in self-defense, which I'm using in self-defense to prepare myself for any future use of tear gas against me. So, we're testing out the Infinite N95 plus the charcoal on top, which was an added feature thanks to the Mask Brigade. Shout out to them. So this is going to be a 3-stage test, all right? First stage is going to be with the added charcoal on top. Second stage, I'm going to wave this flag. I'm going to take off this charcoal. Okay, so it's just the N95 or the Infinite 95 that's protecting me. Third test, if I can't handle that for too long, I'm gonna wave this flag and I'm gonna start the third stage, which is a completely different addition to this mask that I haven't really told anybody about yet. But that's why we're gonna test it, and if it works, I'll add it into another video, and I'll include all the videos, especially how to make this, in the links below in the description. So please definitely check it out. And yeah, good to use. Definitely do not try this at home. And be safe, all right? Okay, let me try it like this. Okay, so here I am. Angelo's sealing this up for me. And here's a cloth, so that you can keep the time. And you know that this isn't edited or altered in any way. Okay. And here we go. Angelo, let me know when you're ready. go. No coughing, but yeah, after I took off the charcoal, I started feeling it. So I turned on, that's why I did the second flag. So I turned on the little special edition, and it started making it feel better. All in all, it was right in my face. The tear gas was like dispersed right in front of my face, and it stayed there. I didn't cough. I'm okay. But definitely the charcoal helped. I didn't feel anything with the charcoal. And as soon as he took it off, I started feeling a little different. So then when you saw the flag, that's when I put up, or the second flag, that's when I put up stage 3. So it's not a definitive test. I definitely didn't have the resources to build a perfect vestibule. This is as good as I could come up with the small amount of resources that I have. Since I don't get paid for any of this, I don't have a GoFundMe or anything. I'm literally just trying to put this stuff together so more people can be encouraged to build these masks. But that was tear gas, and it was right in my face, and I didn't even cough. I was crying a little bit, and to be honest, I should have zipped this up. It's so stupid, but just getting this thing up here as it is was such a bitch, like just trying to make it all happen. So sorry for my language, but yeah, so definitely I believe in the infinite n95s. You can I'll post up a new video of how to do the charcoal addition to it. But yeah, you could just sit right in front of a cloud and you're not coughing. And I definitely believe, damn, I'm getting a sunburn out here though. I definitely believe that if you were in the middle of a cloud and you had an infinite n95 with the charcoal edition, thanks again to the Mask Brigade, that you would be well covered in a cloud. Here, Angelo, can you hold this real quick? You would be well covered. And of course, definitely don't try that at home. That was so stupid. I should have had it like well controlled, but nobody I know has a garage or was willing to let me use their garage. So we had to make do. But all in all, it was definitely sealed up pretty well in there. I think even Angelo smelled some of the stuff. He was coughing outside. So the fact that I was in there right in front of it without any severe coughing fit, I was still able to, keep control and composure of the situation. I'd say it's not a scientific test. It's as close to scientific as one could get without, major resources behind it. So anecdotally, I would definitely say that you have a lot of protection. And again, in the description, I'll show you how to make it. Thanks again for watching. Definitely like and subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more tutorials on the charcoal edition plus the secret edition. When there's one part I'm waiting for in the mail, and when that comes, I'm going to shoot the second edition, or that edition. And also my series on COVID protection, which is how this whole channel, this whole infinite n95 thing started. So definitely subscribe. Have a lot of tutorials coming down the line. There'll definitely be a lot more scientific than this. This was just, I have no control over, the situation out here. But definitely I feel a little bit of burning right where the mask, sealed off. And otherwise, I'm good. Like, everything was good. Okay? Thanks for watching. Be safe out there, and keep going.